Are you tired of paying thousands of dollars for e-commerce photo shoots that take weeks to organize, only to get a handful of usable assets? What if you could generate hyper-realistic, brand-consistent lifestyle ads in minutes? Hey everyone, my name is Sergio and I'm the founder of Profit Pulse Media. We are a performance marketing agency that helps e-com brands scale with absolute clarity. So we specialize in Meta and Google Ads, conversion optimization, and AI-powered creatives. Alright, so today I'm going to show you one of the secret weapons we use to create those high-converting AI creatives for one of our clients with Higsfield Soul 2.0. Out of everything I've tried this year, this is by far the most realistic AI image generator, and for e-com owners and brands, this is a massive game changer. I say it because every single image coming out of this model looks like it was taken on a real camera by a professional commercial photographer. And this is Higsfield Soul 2.0, and in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can use it to generate highly converting lifestyle shots and user-generated content without booking an expensive shoot. Running an e-commerce brand means you constantly need fresh visual content, and hiring models or shipping products is expensive and slow. So this setup inside Higsfield is super simple. I pick Soul 2.0, switch to a 9x16 portrait frame, set the resolution at 2K, and enable Prompt Enhance to automatically refine the prompt. Right beside that, we have the preset selector, which has 20 different styles like warm, ambient, and swag era. Having that much variety is amazing for brands needing different seasonal aesthetics. But I'll leave it off for now to see what the base model can do. Let's type a simple prompt for an activewear brand. A fit man wearing a black athletic hoodie jogging on a misty forest trail. The output is incredible. The lighting filters through the trees beautifully, the fabric has actual texture, and the running pose feels completely natural. He is not standing stiffly like a mannequin, which is what most generators give you. It feels like a real lifestyle product shot, but to build a dynamic brand presence, you need absolute variety. I'll switch to the editorial street preset and change the prompt to him wearing a tailored charcoal overcoat walking down a neon lit city street. The color grading, film grain, and outfit automatically update to fit that high fashion aesthetic. These presets instantly change the lighting direction, composition, and mood, saving you from spending 10 minutes writing a detailed prompt. Now, here is the secret sauce for brands. If you are running ads, your audience needs to recognize your brand's face. Look closely at standard AI generations, and you will notice that every single image looks like a completely different person. If your model keeps changing from post to post, you are never going to build a trustworthy brand identity. Everything starts with getting Soul to stick to one identity, and Soul ID is how you lock that in. In the character tab, you upload at least 20 different shots at your chosen brand ambassador. You need a good mix of poses, facial expressions, and lighting setups so the model understands what your character actually looks like. Training takes about 3 minutes, and then you can use this consistent character in any generation going forward. I'll generate him with the retro BW preset, and the face is exactly the same person, styled in black and white with real film texture. Try the Siren preset for a deep, saturated palette, and the jawline and facial features stay incredibly consistent. But what if you already have the perfect lifestyle photo from a stock library, and you just need your brand ambassador in it? Instead of trying to describe a complex vibe in words, you can use character swap. You upload your trained character as a source and a target image that already contains someone in the exact setting you want. Higsfield keeps the entire photo intact and replaces the original person with your character while preserving the lighting, mood, composition, and color tones. I can try another target, gritty, high contrast gym photo with someone lifting weights. It seamlessly puts my character in the frame while keeping the harsh flash lighting untouched. You get a totally consistent digital identity across completely different environments. Here is where this becomes the ultimate e-com tool. Adding your specific products into the scene is exactly how you turn that cool picture into an ad that generates sales. Using Nano Banana Pro in Paint, I can hover over edit and draw a mask over any area of the image. This lets me tell the AI that what to put there, while the rest of the image stays exactly the same, matching the original lighting and color grade perfectly. For a fitness supplement brand, I'll take the kitchen shot, mask his hand, and type holding a sleek stainless steel protein shaker bottle. The shaker appears and the lighting perfectly matches the morning sunlight. I can take the gym photo, mask the floor, and type a matte black tub of pre-workout powder, and it appears with realistic shadows. You can create a fully consistent influencer lifestyle shot that looks completely real. It works for whatever product you sell. That is a full UGC ad created from scratch without hiring a model, booking a photographer, or shipping a product. Because the base images from Soul 2.0 already have clean lighting, these edits work perfectly on the first pass. Alright, so if you want to stop wasting ad spend on creatives that don't convert, my team and I can help. At Profit Pulse Media, we act like your in-house strategists, fixing wasted spend and guiding smarter scale. So if you're interested in that, click the link in the description to get your free Profit Pulse report. Make sure to hit subscribe and grab that free report, and I'll see you in the next one.